Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. So this is the packet that I have received from ViaTerra, and basically just courier from uh, ViaTerra in this sort of like a polythene bag, like an Amazon bag or something like that. And I have made this order through their official website, and I'm opening it for the first time. As you can see, there are no open tags. I'm just opening it here, and basically I bought it from their website, and this is what we get in the box. So the cover, the transfer bag, it has nothing else in it, just the bill. And these are the gloves. So these are just wrapped in polythene and not you know something fancy, but yeah, let's just see how the gloves are. So firstly, I'd like to tell you that I have actually ordered the Holeshot, not the pro one, but the regular Holeshot. And basically what I have ordered these for is city rides mostly, but I wanted something that would be a little more protective. So this is what we get in the plastic bag. This is already open, as you can see, and here are the gloves. So this is the tag, this is the black color edition. It is already in the case. So if I just quickly take this out, as you can see, this is a clip that they have used to tie it up, and these are the gloves. So these are the Nox SPS sliders. They are hard, same one here. And this is the mesh, the leather patch. You can see the pinky protector is also there, and these are the hard knuckle protectors. These are for the fingers. So yeah, that is the right hand side glove. Looks pretty nice. And this is the similarly the left side glove. So yeah, again, both hard sliders, the leather patch, the pinky protector, and this one I think we should be able to use the mobile screen, touch screen, with these gloves. Let's just quickly put them on. Seem to fit well. And I think I can use the touchscreen fairly easily. Now these are the XL size. I believe that the width of my hand is a little shorter for this, but my fingers are longer, so I think they fit well. And I'm able to use the touchscreen fairly well. So yeah, these seems pretty good, and they aren't that expensive, but yeah, they are on a little bit pricier side, but not super expensive. So I'm quite happy with this. Now these are quite a snuggle fit. As you can see, I've taken them out for a little bit of a ride. They are a little bit comfy, but not entirely. Now I would say these are pretty good, but yes, being XL, they does feel a little tight on my hands, especially on the thumb. So when I was riding with these I did feel that it was restricting me a little bit, but these are brand new gloves, so it will take some time to get these braked in. And you can see there is a little snip here, so you can tie them together and throw them over the shoulders, something like that. But yeah, these are pretty good. I would say being XL and my fingers being a little bit longer, these does feel a little snug. But yeah, overall I feel they are nice. I will need to get used to it, and these are the first time that I'm actually using riding gloves. I was using gloves before, but they were not dedicated riding gloves but just normal gloves. So yeah, these are good in my opinion, and I will still reserve my judgment on these for a little later. So let's see how it goes. But overall, these are pretty nice. Like you can see that they have a good texture. They does feel like it comes with a protection all around, and these aren't pro versions. On pro version, it would be much more better, but yeah, still I would feel that for something like traveling in and around the city or something like that, or shorter rides, these will be more than enough. But overall, let me know what you think of these, and if you have any questions regarding these, do let me know in the comment section below. I would try to explain as best as I could, but yeah, I'm not an expert on this, so I'm not saying I would have all the answers, but I will try my best. So now that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in the future. And I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.